Okay, Bobby. This is your 5-mile run. Don't screw this up.
Oh, why me?
Come on, Bobby, keep working. Go!
I'm so tired. This is so
bad. Stop complaining.
It's too bad. Slow it down, man.
That's good for the day.
That was the hardest workout I've ever done in my life. It was crazy. Why did it be so hard on me? Look what you did. You spilled the chips.
Those are my chips. Hey, that's mine.
Why? It's not fair. It's not fair.
Get down and give me 20.
Oh, goodness.
One.
Oh.
1.5. 2. 3. 4.
Yeah.
Come on!
It's not fair. Why do I have to do 20?
Because you did 5.5 last time.
I need a Coke.
Hey, no, that's fine. Bobby, you're in training now. You're training to go to the Beijing Olympics. So get your head together. Hey! No eating on the floor.
Oh, they're so good, those chips. Please tell me you don't want me to do sit-ups now.
Yep. 40. Let's go. 1. Sit-ups, not crunches.
1 donut. 2 donuts.
Bobby, stop thinking about
3
food.
donuts. Scrumptious. Full of chocolate goodness. Dunkin' Donuts is the best Dunkin' place in the world.
Bobby! Stop thinking about something else than Dunkin' Donuts.
I'm stuffed. It's just too hard.
Alright, we're done for the day.
So we're done?
Yeah, you can
Okay,
go home.
we're done. Oh.